Stop buying Guinness. Make this instead. Have you ever dreamed of brewing your own delicious stout right at home? With the Cooper's DIY Beer Irish Stout Kit, it's easier than you think. This kit comes with everything you need to create a rich, dark brew with notes of coffee, chocolate, and licorice, just like your favorite Irish stout. First, you'll want to sanitize all your equipment. This is super important to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your beer. Next, warm up the brewing extract can in hot water to make it easier to pour. Then, add the extract and any recommended enhancers to your fermenting vessel with some hot water and stir until it's fully dissolved. Top it off with cold water to reach the recommended volume, ensuring the temperature is just right for the yeast. Now for the magic. Sprinkle in the yeast, seal up your fermenter, and let it do its work. Fermentation typically takes about 2 weeks. After that, you can bottle your stout, adding carbonation drops for that perfect fizz. In just a few weeks, you'll be enjoying your very own homemade Irish stout, a truly satisfying experience. It's a fun and rewarding process that saves you money and delivers a fantastic, fresh beer. So why wait? Check the link in the description to make your own Guinness-style stout.